Today's question: to determine which fraction is larger than 1 by 2. And question we are seeing here is some option: 7 by 15, 30 by 61, 31 by 60 and nothing. So we have to know some step. First step, we have to make common denominator or same denominator, right? In this case the first fraction is 7 divide 15 and we will compare with 1 by 2. 15 and 2, the common denominator is what? We will make LCD, same denominator. In this case we have to make LCD. So LCD is 15 times 2, it means 30. So 7 divide 15, we will make same denominator, it means 30. So for 15 we need 2. So in this case 7 times 2, it means 14. Similar, 1 by 2 equals to, our common denominator is 30. So 2 times 15 and 1 times 15. So it will be 15. Second thing is compare numerator. Numerators and larger numerators is a larger fraction. So here is numerator is 14 and here is 15. It means 1 by 2 is larger than 7 by 15. So 7 by 15 out. Look, here is also another thing. We can write like this: 7, 15, comma 1 by 2. It's a shortcut way. We can write like this: 2 times 15, right? And we can multiply like this, so it will become 14. Again 2 times 15 and we will multiply by like this, 1 times 15, it means 15. So look, here is also we can understand this one is larger because larger numerator is larger fraction. So next comparison is 30 by 60. So 30 by 60 and we will compare with 1 by 2. 30 by 61. Okay, so here is also both are different thing. So in this case we can write like this: 30 by 61 equals to 2 and 61 common denominator is what? 61 times 2, right? 61 times 2, it means 2 and 122. So here is also we can write 30 times 2 and here is 60. Similar thing, once we write like this: 1 divide 2 and we will write here is 122. So 2 times 61 and here is 1 times 61. So 61 is a larger thing. So here is also 30 divide 61 and 1 divide 2. 1 divide 2 is a larger. Okay, next 31 by 60. 31 divide 60 and here 1 by 2. So 60 and 2 the common denominator, or once we make LCD, it will be 60. 260 LCD 60. So in this case 60, so 60 times 1, and here is 31, and here is 1, so 31. Similar, 60 is a common denominator, so 2 times 30, and here is 1 times 30, and here is 30. Now look, 31 divide 60, 60, and here is 1 by 2. So here 31 is a larger than 1. So 31 divided 60 is our larger fraction. So our question was which fraction is larger than 1 by 2, and answer is 31 by 60 is a larger than 31 by 60 is a larger than 1 by 2, and this is our question answer. So hope you understand. So main thing is find or make common denominators. This is the one point, and another point is larger numerators is a larger fraction once numerators are same. Okay, hope you understand this one.